Hello and welcome to my new basement paint studio. I've been working on this for a while and I'm so excited that it is finally ready to get painting. So I start with my shelving for my canvases and my tools and my pour mediums. Got a bookcase over there full of paints. Got the new shop sink. My pride and joy is this new paint table. It's 39.5 inches by 77 inches. Got a shelf for some of my stuff I need on hand right away. I've got some nice silicone floor mats protecting the ground, and I've got these nice cushion mats to make it really comfortable for standing for long periods. I got the splat mats on this side where I've got the new studio lights going. Got a dry table here on the end, and I am ready to get painting. So I am so glad you got to see my new home for painting. Hello everyone and welcome to my new paint studio. I'm really happy to be here today with you, and I'm so excited to be in my new studio. This will be my first pour down here and we'll see how that works. I've got new lights, I've got a new table. It's going to be great. I will probably either at the beginning or the end of this give you the tour video of the new studio. But for now, let's go down to the table and have some fun. Today we're going to be working on a new type of pour that I haven't done yet, and it is done using a marble. Now, the size of your marble matters. The Massey boys tested this out, and little ones get bogged in your paint. You need a shooter marble, or as Mina Villegas tried, a golf ball if you're using a larger canvas. So we're not going to use these little guys because I'm afraid it'll fail. We're going to use the shooter marble. And we're going to use a technique that everybody discovered through an artist called VR Turner Art. And I will link that so that you can find his page and see how he originally did this pour. So if we're ready now, let's go down to the table. Okay, we are down at the table now. And today we are going to work. I don't have a new remote to turn the camera on and off, so I have to run around the table, and it's a long table. We're going to work on a gallery wrapped Artist Loft level 3 canvas. This is an 11 by 14 canvas, and we have our tape and push pins on the bottom. And again, you always want to make sure that you get out your level, you place it on your canvas, and make sure that your canvas is level all over. Because you don't want your paint to slush off in one direction or the other. You want it to stay where you want it on your canvas. So the way this pour is done is we're going to put some puddles on our canvas, and then we're going to put some extender and roll the ball around. We'll see how it works. So let's go through some colors. Most of these are leftovers except this one. This is something new for me and I'm really excited. This is Rustoleum Metallic Accents paint, and this is Metallic Champagne. And that is going to be a really pretty coat. That is going to be the base of our puddles, and it's going to be our flow extender. So that's going to be really gorgeous. This one I'm pretty sure is Liquitech Basics in turquoise, but I'm not positive because I forgot to label a batch of these. This one is Decor Americana Decor Metallics in Berry. I'm guessing that this is Cobalt Violet by Royal Langnickel Essentials, but I'm not positive. Again, not marked. This one I know is a mixture of multiple colors because I don't have anything this color. I'm sure there's Plum Fairy in here. I think maybe some Lilac or something got mixed in with it to lighten it up. This one is Folk Art Treasure Gold in Blue Quartz. And this one is a mixture of Deco Art Americana Metallics in 24 karat gold and Folk Art Metallics Royal Gold that I had left over. So those are my colors. And like I said, we're going to puddle. And then we're going to roll the ball tilting through the paint to make the design. And then we'll finish our tilting. We may torch in there somewhere. So we're going to start by making our puddles. we're going to do 5 puddles. All right, now what we want to do is we want to pour some more of this as a flow extender. We're going to spread it a bit because we want everything, especially our corners, to be nice and wet so our paint slides around the canvas easy. We're going to give it a quick torch to get rid of those bubbles. So there's lots of bubbles. And then we'll be ready to start tilting. All right, now, according to theory, we take our ball, we drop it, and we start rolling. It's time to tilt. As we're tilting, you can see that the ball is mixing our paints and giving us a cool design. And when we think we've got enough done, then we're just going to tilt it fully. Okay, so I'm going to put it back on, or do you think I'm good? I'm going to drop it back over here. There, I think we're good. The ball. That a quick wipe because I don't want it to dry that painty. Drop that guy in the sink. All right, now we're just going to tilt this out the rest of the way and get our design. That looks awesome. Oh, I'm liking this. All right. I'm going to clean up my edges and torch that. Now we'll be ready to move on for a close-up. Okay, I've cleaned up my edges. I've given it a good torching. I am really happy about how this turned out. The colors are so bright. The swirls came out really cool. Nice lines. Nice blendings with the colors. Look at these lines. Look how intricate the lines are. Mixed with big swirls of the colors. Got a big bubble right there. But just loving it. Really cool. And again, Sides are important. Look at those sides. Pattern's just flowing right on over, all the way around. Really loving it. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry. I'll add some photos at the end. Thank you so much for joining me in my new studio. I am so glad that you are here to join me on this journey, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Hi everyone, and here are the dried results of the first marble roll pour. Loving the colors. So pretty. And the blends. And these lines. Look at these lines. They are so cool. It is really fabulous the way that the lines are showing in this. And I'm loving the way the colors blended and mixed. Love this little squirrel here in the middle. So pretty. Thank you so much for joining me on my art journey. Please leave me a comment, hit the like, and if you want, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can see some more videos. Thank you so much. I appreciate your presence. Have a great day.